Alright, welcome to another exciting episode of Onga Foodie Master, brought to you by Onga, Mama's Helping Hand. As you already know, Onga Foodie Master is an entertaining and Ongalicious food game show here to put the food knowledge and taste buds of foodies to the test, set at a table of 4. The last foodie standing with the highest points gets to walk home with some amazing goodies courtesy of Onga Nigeria. I'm your host and certified foodie all-in-one, Mayowa Mula, and I'm super pumped up to meet our first 4 contestants who are ready to go head to head on this Ongalicious food experience.
I'm a fresh graduate, but I take acting gigs for now.
I work with an e-commerce company as a customer experience agent.
I'm a celebrity hairstylist. I'm a thespian and I'm a realtor.
As a foodie that I am, I can't get enough of rice.
Rice?
Yes.
I'll say potato and plantain porridge.
I would say jollof rice.
Egusi and fufu.
Egusi and fufu, you said it's really fast, like you already know your answer. Alright, why do you love egusi and fufu so much?
Egusi has been my thing from day one, and fufu is just, it goes really smooth, direct.
The one thing I love about rice is you can always, switch it up anyhow you want.
What is it about potato and plantain porridge that you love so much?
Okay, one, maybe because I can prepare it so much, yeah. I can, so, and again, it puts calories, so of course.
I don't know, but I just love jollof rice.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how much of a video are you?
9. On the scale of 1 to 10, I think 8.
8?
11 over 10.
11 over 10. You are super confident.
Yes.
You are going to win today.
Yes. 101%.
Okay, alright. Do you think you have what it takes to be our foodie master today?
Of course I do.
Why do you think so?
Because I love food. I love food, and at least I know I can prepare some. Very much.
Why do you think so?
Because from the mouth you shall know the belly.
Okay, giving us quotes. Very good.
I think I do.
Why? Why do you think so?
Well, because I'm a lover of food.
I would say I'm a foodie, so yeah.
Okay.
I would have what it takes to become your foodie master today.
We're gonna kick things off right now with the food trivia. And in this round, our foodies will have to let their pen and paper do the talking in 20 seconds. After reading out their question, on my order, they stop and they reveal their answers, okay? But not to worry, because in this round, I'll be acting as their best friend, but I'll also be watching their every move. Vegetable oil is a major ingredient in making the Onga seasoning, yes or no? Vegetable oil is a major ingredient in making the Onga seasoning, yes or no? Your time starts now. Daniel, first to write. It's not the first to, but it's finished already. So she's done. Alright, Olarinde is done. Daniel is the first one to write. Alright, stop. You may reveal your answer. Sochi, your answer was no. Daniel, your answer was also no. That could be as a result of spying on Sochi, but we will never know. Olamide, your answer was also no. Claire decided to be the odd one out. You said yes. Claire, it looks like you might actually be the winner. The correct answer is... It actually is no. Sorry, you did not get the answer correctly. Sochi, Daniel, and Olarinde get a point each for getting the answer correctly. Make some noise now. Right about now, we're moving on to the food challenge round, and this is my favorite round, okay? In this round, our foodies will be blindfolded and plates of food will be placed in front of them, and they'll have to guess what it is they're eating using only 2 of their senses. They can either taste or touch the food. Alright, blindfolds down. Alright. You can now taste or feel the food. Is the first to take a bite. Okay. Olarinde is loving what he's tasting so far. It seems like. I don't think Claire is enjoying it as much. The way her mouth is moving. Daniel is eating almost everything.
Can we finish
It's
it?
even spilling. You can eat as much as you want. We have 10 more seconds. 9, 8.
What is the answer?
7, no. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop your spoon. Alright, you can take off your blindfolds. You have 20 seconds to write down what you think you just eaten. 20 seconds. Your time starts now. It's very sure what is right. Seems everybody is sure. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop your pen. Reveal your answers. In this round, our foodies will have to guess which of the ingredients placed in front of them was not used in making the food that they had just tasted. In front of you right now, you have 3 ingredients. You have millet, you have beans, and you have bulgur. Which of these ingredients was not used to make the food that you think you tasted?
Okay.
You have 20 seconds to decide. Your time starts now.
Beans
Okay?
and millet.
So beans and millet.
Yes.
You did not taste beans, you did not taste millet.
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay, I'll go with beans.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm not sure beans was part of the ingredient.
So just beans.
Beans and millet.
The beans and the millet.
The beans and the millets. Are you sure?
Positive.
You are positive. You are sure you did not taste beans?
I'm sure. Positive.
Beans.
Beans.
Yes.
Are you sure? Is that your final
Was
answer?
not used.
Was not used.
Yes. Beans.
Beans. You can pick more than one, but you can also just pick one.
Beans.
Food challenge round, our foodies were blindfolded and had to guess what it is that they had tasted in front of them. The correct answer was stir-fried bulgur, and none of our foodies were able to get it correctly, so they all get 0 points in this round. In the third round, where our foodies had to analyze and guess which of the ingredients placed in front of them was not used in making the food that they had just tasted, none of our foodies got the answer correctly. The correct answer was actually millet, so they all get 0 points each as well. After compiling the results, it seems Claire is out of the game with the lowest points, and we've got ourselves a tie. Tochi, Daniel, and Olarinde will have to battle it out for the title of Onga Foodie Master with another trivia question. In 10 seconds, name as many Onga seasonings as you can. Your time starts now. Stop! You may review your answers. After much deliberation, the person that listed the most Onga seasonings correctly, and the winner of today's episode, and our Onga Foodie Master with the most points, is none other than the one that was the most confident. Tochi, you are our winner for today. You are our Onga Foodie Master. Make some noise. Make some noise. Alright, Tochi, congratulations. You are our Onga Foodie Master for today. How do you feel?
I feel great. I feel elated.
Yeah?
Just good feeling, good vibes.
Good vibes, Abi. You put up a very, very good fight. Even though we had some challenges, there was a tie, but you still came through and you conquered them all. What do you have to say to your adversaries that tried to fight you?
please. You guys are of no match.
Of no match. Okay. All right. There you have it. Ochi, congratulations once again. Just give a shout out to anybody.
A big shout out to Onga for this opportunity. Without Onga, I wouldn't have this opportunity. So a big shout out to Onga. Thank you so much for this opportunity.
All right, there you have it. With that being said, we have come to the end of another exciting episode of Onga Foodie Master. Onga Foodie Master will be back next week with some more interesting twists, okay? I remain your host and certified foodie all-in-one, Maiwa Mula. Make sure you follow us on all our social media handles at Onga_Nigeria on Facebook and Instagram. And remember, people who love to eat are always the best people.
Onga, Mama's helping hand.